Hey, good morning, guys. This is Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad, and I've been invited to the Olympic Flight Museum. Shawn Fillner apparently is there with Abel, so it's an opportunity that's nearby. I'm going to take Malachi up there, and I'm going to go and have some fun. Yeah, we're filming each other, that's right. Wow, look at this battery setup. 6 batteries. I'm gonna need a spaghetti diagram just to go figure out where all that stuff goes to. Holy mackerel. It's beautiful.
You have enough air left in your tank.
I could.
Try it. I'll bet it'll probably go bump, bump.
Bet you.
But you think it's gonna go up?
Hell yeah, well.
All the way?
All the way.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I gotta see this.
Okay, raise cab.
You got pretty solid air.
I can go all the way forward and all the way back.
Yours holds pressure a lot better. I think mine come out at the relief valve.
I was gonna say, especially after I just drove it, I know this thing will, because I've never used this until you're like, well, yeah, you can just go ahead and pump it. And I'm like, well, let me try it. So I just did. I'm like, oh, this is pretty easy, actually.
Yours are shaped different than mine. Oh, that's tweaking. I don't think I want mine to do that.
Wait till you see my next video. It scared the crap out of me the first time that happened.
I saw your most recent one.
You're out. Oh, your CTIS is on. Hey guys, you know what? You might think that this is a Shawn Fillner video, but Shawn Fillner's actually checking out Malachi. It's really cool when you can get 2 LMTVs together, start comparing which is what parts are working and what parts aren't, and why does this look a little bit different.
Well, now I'm not sure if any of that's adjustable. I don't know. We'll see if
Now
it'll
guys, what Shawn bet me was
bet.
that Malachi couldn't go all the way down and all the way back up on the power of the air pressure alone, and I'm betting that it will. So here we go. Oh, it's got tons.
You're raising.
Oh, well, I forgot to. Okay, I'm sorry. It's still got tons. Go, baby. Come on.
When the camera rotates, I'm gonna freak out.
And it's gonna fall here. There we go. And that's what freaked me out.
That's scary. I don't know how anybody could do that.
But it's working like a champ.
Now let's see if the hooks seat all the way like they're supposed to on the cab air ride.
Yep. Uh-oh.
Do this. Just go up just a little.
Silent Bob is totally missing out, Shawn.
Well, I have to do your job when you're not here, Bob. You don't show up, you can't play with the party, you know? Can't participate in the party. I think this is 9/16.
You know what he'd say to that, right?
Well,
okay guys, how jealous are you now of me?
Dave Huck Finned me once again into working on his truck for him. Go ahead and whitewash the fence. It's really easy and it's fun too.
Look how much fun he's having up there.
Oh, this is the most wonderful thing ever.
You know, for this being an air museum and an air show, I don't hear a lot of air traffic out there. Oh, there's one. It's like a mosquito flying around Shawn's head.
And I can hear it.
It's coming down, it's lining up.
Be fully seated this time. Ah. All the rusty hardware in the Rockstar can. Look at that.
This is a technique pioneered
Look at that.
by Shawn Fillner, and he does have stock in PB Blaster,
Yeah.
as do I,
Good stuff.
and I'm sure as all LMTV owners do, or should at least get stock in
PB Blaster. I'm available for hire, one-time screening.
I think they should sponsor my channel.
There you go.
This is what's called percussion maintenance.
Man, it's really bent out. I don't think the wood is helping. I need more direct.
Here we go.
This is killing me.
It is me too.
Come on, work. Oh, don't. Oh, it's getting real close. Oh no,
Oh,
please don't get that.
Oh,
It
missed.
Let's try again. Let's go up a little bit. Better work this time. Well, we've been working on this for the last 2 hours.
see, my hands are dirty.
It's a team effort.
I did some labor.
Come on, line up, please. Oh man, it's looking promising.
It's looking like it's good.
It's looking promising.
Yes!
It did it.
Yes!
Holy crap, it worked. It worked almost too good. Look at that. Almost. Almost. Look at it's still got just a tiny bit of space there. See that?
You know what? I'm happy.
It looks like the micrometer adjustment tool helps.
It did. Well, it was sure fun getting to come out and see Shawn and Willow And we're about ready to head out. He's heading to the beach, and I'll be heading back home. It was kind of fun. We did a bit of impromptu maintenance on Malachi. That was kind of fun. Very weird feeling for me to have Shawn working on Malachi, just because all I see him on is his YouTube channel. So it was pretty cool to see him watching, or rather working on Malachi. Safe travels, my friend. Whew, just made it back home. Hey, stopped by Home Depot. Got stopped by at least 2 of my friends. I think I was there for an hour and a half talking. Yeah, it's good to have friends though. Anyway, back home, and since I don't really take Malachi out for such long trips. It's about an hour up, about an hour back. I'm going to test the temperature of the hubs just to kind of see if I have any irregularities going on. Might be something that you want to look into as well. So I'm going to grab my laser thermal, whatever the heck it's called, temperature probe. .1, that is the right front. That's the passenger side right front. That is the, ooh, that's a little bit higher. That is the passenger right rear. Okay, that is the driver's side front. I know, I got to replace the batteries. And that is the driver's side rear. So rear is definitely a little warmer than the front, but at least there's only a difference of about 4 degrees between left and right in the rear anyways. Well, it's now getting to the end of the day, and I just had a great time. It's always fun when you can get together with a fellow brother, LMTV driver. And Willow, I have to say that the sandwich that you made me, I still haven't had dinner. I'm not hungry. And I got a news flash for you folks. It was all made of plants. I couldn't believe it. It was delicious. It tasted like a burger, like a Burger King burger. It was great. It was such a fun day. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, please give that a like, or push the like button that's down below here. And comment, share, put it to your playlist. All is good. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys next time. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe, and God bless.